What's up? Putting in some support over here?
Yeah, you know, it's always nice hanging out with RV because at least he's not nervous and he has a nice time, right?
Yeah.
So everyone else is kind of really uptight and nervous, I think. But
yeah, look at this.
He doesn't sugarcoat. Yeah.
Hey, look at this.
Yeah.
There's no banners blocking his pit area. Fans are just walking up, touching, I'm like, this is
The mood is good over here.
this is throwback. This is like box fan days. It's good stuff. Hey, so how's the world's greatest retired slash maybe should have been a road race guy? Should have been
I think we see all the fans are here. All the fans are around the van, around the tooth truck.
That's too far.
They just love the bike.
Yeah, so the bike sounds awesome. Looks good.
When I just heard Mitch over there revving it, is he just having a total flashback messing around with your bike?
He probably is. He's into it. It's cool. But I came back. I said, dude, it's too good. I said, let's just make sure it's not too lean.
How soft is it out there?
It's actually really good. It's not soft.
No,
it's good.
It's good.
I mean, for a guy that hasn't rode stuff like that in a long time, it's still okay.
I mean, best Hangtown you've ever seen for the way it's prepped up.
If it holds off, yeah, it'll be the best. Yeah.
So how many people have come up to you this morning and didn't realize your Hangtown announcement was originally an April Fool's joke? How many people are like, "Where's your 450?"
Yeah, only a couple. Somebody said it the other day. Oh, I thought no, I'm racing the 125 class. So.
Yeah, you and Don got him. Yeah. Got him a little bit.
It was good though.
Been doing anything else fun?
Not so much. Just watching this get built, watching this get dynoed. Nike's put a lot of time into it.
Nice. How many of these are you gonna do?
So it looks like right now Paula and then Washougal, those three.
And then after Schugle, you have your amateur race coming up.
Yep, up at Grace Harbor. Yeah.
Nice. You stoked on that? Because
we'll be up there here. We got quite a few events up there, but there'll be a few that I go to. The RV Cup, the RV Summer Camp, and then my dad's memorial race. So
awesome. Well, Mary, you guys try to do the amateur race down here the one time. Are you happy to do it up in your home area?
I think it's really cool because there's just no big races up north. So to have a national in the Northwest, it's big for our area. So, I mean, I've traveled around the world and raced everything and won a lot. And, it was always hard to go. We had to leave and drive 18 hours to go anywhere to race a big race.
Yeah, so you know what your local area feels like with having to drive all those big races.
Yep.
To actually have in the backyard, because literally it's not too long after Loretta's, right? A couple weeks after?
3 weeks, I think.
Yeah, so
3 weeks. So the diehards can do both if they want.
Nice. All your locals will be stoked instead of having to drive.
We also got to remember too, Loretta's only takes 3 or 4 out of each class, across the United States. So you might get 5 kids from Washington State to go, or 10. What about all the other kids that want to race but either didn't make it or can't afford it or whatever else?
Because West Coast regionals were always tight. Like your regional was probably one of the lower count, like kind of West.
But they also gave us, when I raced it, they gave us less. They took less.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You guys had less out of your regional, huh?
Yeah. And now I think they have it balanced a little bit better, but yeah.
Nice. How about your road race experience recently? Did you go do a track day?
That track day, that video that came out from Yamaha was actually, it was just a little delayed, but it was from last year.
Yeah.
A lot of fun. I'd do it again.
You should.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Last one. Have you been Blackmore Ranch lately? Been doing any flat track?
I have not, but I heard there's a barbecue / thing coming up that I'm free. I'll try to get out there.
Sweet. Okay, so since we can't get James Stewart out of one of these, can you lay claim to the greatest retired guy to ever race a 125?
Well, currently I am.
There you go.
With the red plate.
With the red plate. Redemption from last year. Hey, wait. So if you win next weekend, are we carrying? Where are we going 12 for 12?
Ooh, I don't know. No, we're not going 12.
Oh, come on.
Way too far.
There's a big...
So then we have Washougal, so we're going to Washougal.
Yeah. Come on, there's a Yamaha semi over there. They got room for the bike. You got to just fly in and do 15 minutes.
They do have room for the bike.
I feel like Lucas needs to get on this.
We could.
I just feel like the deal needs to be bumped up. Private flights each race.
Oh, private? That'd be great. I'd love private flights. That is one luxury. If you ever get the chance, fans, try to do it.
I've been actually kind of tempted to do that Jet Suite X things up to Vegas or one of the shorter flights.
I've flown it.
Is it awesome?
Yeah, it's cool. You just go right to the deal. You check in, and that's it.
Nice. But definitely, though, and in all seriousness, a little better than last year. You whooped the kids this time.
Yeah, I don't think the competition was as steep as last year, but I do think I was better this year too. So
bike sound good.
Bike was better. If Aiden would have raced that, I don't know, Aiden. I probably would have had you.
Aiden gave up. Didn't even show.
But now we have red plates for Paula, so we're gonna be looking good.
You're gonna run the red plate.
100%.
Yes. Are you gonna get Will to come out and race you?
I don't know if Will's racing. Will's scared.
I think he is. He seemed he was. Here's the thing. He watched your race very intently. I think he was trying to figure out if he could take you. Because I watched him. He was standing. He was watching.
You can't take me. You can't.
Will can't. Wilbur has nothing on this.
Not gonna happen. I won't let it happen.